guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Thanks for joining us today. We are doing a hop-in giveaway. So one winner is going to win a $25 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby. And all you have to do is hop along. There's a hashtag. You're going to click the hashtag N2S Furry Friends. That will open up all the videos in this hop. You'll hop to each one, leave a comment, and then come back to my Rafflecopter link and enter the giveaway through there. The winner will be chosen on the 15th, and I'll have it posted on my community tab here on YouTube. And you can always click back on the Rafflecopter link to see who won. So today I'm going to share the box of the month, the new stamp and die of the month, and the new designs for the Paper Pad Club. So for our first items, I'm going to pull out the papers. We've got two paper pads, totally two different designs, so we get two different looks. You got Snow Critters, which is a nice pastel look, wintry, really cute critters. This one is Fawns in winter, and it's more of deeper, brighter, bolder shades, and really pretty. So I'll go ahead and show the Snow Critters first, and then the other one. But let's pull out the stamps so I could show those. So the first one here is called Snuggle Weather. They're really cute with the sweaters on the critters and the hats. This one's got an earmuff, and the sentiments read, "For a dear friend, just because, a friendly hello, let's chill, warm hugs from all of us, feels like a snuggle weather kind of day." Now let me pull out my projects that I've done. So here is the card that I made using that stamp set. So really cute. Lots of ideas for this. You can make a scene with all of these critters, like maybe on a slimline card going this way, having them stand in the snow, maybe stamp some trees in the background. There is a tree in the next stamp that I'm going to show you, so you could have a lot of fun with that. Okay, for our next stamp, we've got Dear Friends. Really pretty stamp, not so cutesy. We've got sentiments, "Hello dear friend." We've got love, peace, joy. We've got friends forever. And then this is a really pretty stamp right here. These branches look really pretty when you stamp it out. Cute little bird on there. And then you can build up your own little tree scene, like on the side of your card with this branch and this foliage. That would be really amazing. And then we've got two bunnies. You can have them looking at each other or facing away. We've got a little bird that you can prop up on these, on the branch or on this little foliage. We have two deer that you can have looking at each other or facing away. We've got a little bear or a polar bear, however you want to color it, looking down, so he could be like looking at the deer or the bird or something like that. And then there's two little extra stamps in here, a little heart and a shine mark or a snowflake. So I didn't get to do a card yet with that, so hopefully I'll have something up tomorrow. Or maybe I could do my live tomorrow. I have work being done on my kitchen, and someone's painting it right now, and it's taking like 3 days because of a lot of patching that needed to be done. So I fell behind on my videos. So this one is called Cozy Forest Friends, and I love this one. It's so stinking cute. You could have these little critters peeking or popping out of something, and I really want to do something where I use these critters as like a pull tab to pull out a gift card. I think that would be really cute. So there's the tree. You can use the tree with the other critters to build up, you know, a scene or something like that. We've got a fox, a bear, a reindeer, a rabbit, and a beaver. The sentiments read, "No winter is too cold when you have enough love. Wake me when winter is over, and I'm wild about you." So I thought you could even use this through Valentine's Day. That's a great sentiment for Valentine's Day, and it is still snowing outside. if you're in the Midwest. So still winter for Valentine's Day. So the card I did for this one turned out really cute. I used the paper from this pad here, Fawns in the Winter. I used this print here for my windows, and then I stamped out a friendly hello that is from the stamp set Snuggle Weather. And I don't really have any stamps left over. I think I might have one of I don't know which ones I have, but I know I only have like a couple, and I don't have all three. I do have papers and ephemera to be purchased separately if you wanted to pick up extra, or just get the paper and ephemera. So this little snowflakes on here, if you were getting the box of the month, or you could purchase it separately from my shop, is the Snow Bloom mix, special mix for Not Too Shabby. That one is in the shop. And there's some snowflakes in here, and the colors do really go nicely with the snow critters. So for the paper snow critters, I'm not gonna go too much detail on this because you can go back to my sneak peeks and watch in great detail, but I will flip through this really quick. So you get some really beautiful prints in here. The paper is really nice and thick, and look at that cute little bear popping out of the mug. You can just cut this one right out and put that on a card front. And then these whimsical trees, and then the sweater, and then this one with all the cute little bears and critters. That one too would go really cute on a front. And I did a card like that. Let me get that out. Where I used the little bears from the paper. I just cut them in squares and used them as my main focal point on my card. So this one has the ephemera here, here, and here. And then the paper in the background. So let me just flip through this really quick. So you get different colors with the critters. So cute. And there's 2 of each design in this one. You get more designs. So sometimes Teresa does 2 of each design like this one, and sometimes 4. It just depends. And then the beautiful ephemera with all these cute little characters. They're just darling. So you can use this throughout winter and Valentine's Day. I mean, this is a cute image for Valentine's Day. There's florals in here with little birds on there. I mean, look how cute that is. Little lamppost with bunny on the bottom. So I'm not gonna go through too much detail with these. You can go back and watch the video. Someone else on the design team might be sharing as well. So I'm just gonna flip through this really quickly. I love this one with the stocking, the little sleigh. Those are really, really cute. So there's a nice snow globe one. So beautiful, beautiful ephemera. I will share another card using the ephemera. So I did these 2. So did 2 green versions here. I cut this one down to place it on the corner or the edge of my card. Use the stamp, feels like a snuggle weather kind of day. Stamped it right onto the paper. I have no problem with that. It doesn't smear. This is uncoated paper, so you can stamp on it. And then we've got From All of Us on there, and that's also in one of the stamp sets. Added a fun bow, so it turned out really cute. And now we have Fawns in Winter. Beautiful paper pad. Look how rich and beautiful these patterns are. Beautiful ombre. Look at that latte art. Love that one. Sweater. I love this one. It's got like a wood grain. It's got a wood grain on there. You can see that kind of looks like it's stenciled. Beautiful trees. That would make a beautiful background. This one's got lace. Looks like lace on top. There's that one I used on the card. Beautiful colors. This one looks like tiles. Nice print. And then you get 4 of each design in this one. And then the coordinating ephemera is just gorgeous. I'm going to share the three cards that I did with the ephemera. It's like a sweater, little candle holder, some pillows and blankets, some wood with a lamp. What do you call those lamps that you use for camping? I forgot. And then we've got a wreath, real pretty. Some owls in here, big or small. Oh dear for the banner. These deer just are so cute. Are those not the cutest you've ever seen? And then there's 2 of them that are laying down. Look at those eyelashes. Love it. This one I used on a card. And then there's some ladies in here with their hair up in a beautiful pin. So you get 3 different shades of color for the hair. Here's some legs with some cool shoes. There's 2 of those. There's a purse. This little doll looks really cute. There's 2 of those. There's little like charm bracelet. And this one's really cute too. The 2 deer heads with flowers around it. So really, really beautiful. Here are the really cute cards with that collection. So use the deer and then the cups. The cups say, "Oh dear, not amused and barely awake." I have the latte art in the background and then the sweater print on the bottom. So I thought that came out so cute. There's a mini slimline card with those beautiful trees in the background. Then I just added some strips of paper here, the one with the lace and the glitter, and then the candle holder and the owl, and then that really pretty print. And then stamped out warm hugs, which you get in the stamp set. And then I created a tag for a dear friend that is also in the stamp set. So really cute. And then I made a little spot for a message on the back. And that was done with a Sunny Studio tag builder. So those are all my projects and the box of the month. Let me share, oh, I almost forgot. Don't go away. I've got to share the stamp and die of the month. So we've got Sweethearts, and the stamp and die go really well with the papers for the Paper Pad Club. So let me bring those out. Get this out of the way. So we've got 2 new designs, Sweet Love and Snow Fantasy. And I thought this was perfect because there's a little snowman in the set, and the snowman goes great with the Snow Fantasy, and then these bears go great with the Sweet Love. So this is an awesome set to pick up. You can join the Paper Pad Club and the Stamp and Die of the Month Club. These 2 clubs you get 18% off when you join the club. And to join the club you choose monthly. There's a drop down menu. Choose monthly before checkout, and that will get you into the club. Same with the box of the month. So when you choose monthly, you get 5% off the box of the month. That's already discounted. And then you'll get your box every 30 days. Now what's nice about the die for this one, it cuts around the trail of the little bee, and on this one as well. It cuts out all the sentiments. We've got hello, we've got sweet, we've got love. You can stamp those in the sign. We've got you melt my heart and buzzing by to say hi. And we also have a just for you. So really cute set. And then let's take a peek at these papers. I'm gonna have to probably do a live video and do some crafting with the papers. So this is called Snow Fantasy. think it's really beautiful. Look at that beautiful print of like faded stars. I love the pink and then the darker pink. We've got a little hat with a little fuzzy top and mittens on that background. And then we've got some ice skates on a little flurry background. That background there. And then that would make a nice background for, say you wanted to make a snowman scene. And then this lovely print, it's got some gold in there. We've got a dark blue with stars, that would also make a nice background. And then this one with the sleighs. Here's a gold one. And then this one you do get some prints in here. So you can cut these out, fussy cut them with scissors, or use your electric cutting machines. So really pretty images. These are going to make some great cards. Again, a nice purple. And then here's one with some girls playing in the snow. Really cute. I love this one. Looks like a sweater. And then this is really nice. I always love patterns like this. Plaids. And then we've got the snowman on a really rich dark blue. Really pretty. Dark blue snowflakes, and then these pine cones. These colors in this pattern paper are just gorgeous. Look at that. Nice ombre here of faux glitter, a sheet of pink, and then you get a second cutout sheet. So really cute. We've got 2 sentiments in here too as well. Let it snow. Really, really pretty. Look at that. And then they start to repeat. So you get 2 of each. We've got Sweet Love, and you do get some cutouts in here as well. So let's take a look. Beautiful images of lattes and cupcakes, and perfect setting for Valentine's Day. Some hearts, this really nice chocolate faux glitter. There's that same pattern on a different background. Some coffee with cupcakes and a balloon and a letter. That's a really pretty pattern there. The flowers, nice glitter. And then here are the cutouts. So you get a really cute bear, a bow, a rose, some cupcakes, the trio, the cupcake, latte, and envelope, and then this really cute one. And there's a nice one on the side. That would make a nice page for a scrapbook layout. This one's really cool. It's like somebody spilled coffee all over it. Really nice patterns in here. So you do get 4 of each. So you get a lot of cutouts. So really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to seeing projects from you. You can join our monthly challenge. That will be up on the 2nd on the blog, so take a look at what the new challenge is. And I wanted to let you know that the boxes are shipping out a little bit late this month. I'm waiting on this paper pad here, Fawns in Winter, to arrive. That shipped out yesterday, so it should arrive soon, but I usually ship these boxes ASAP, but it'll be a few days before I start the shipping.